So after releasing the R9 Pro, Hotwav has announced an upgraded version of the R9 Pro called the R9 Plus. In this video, we would explore and dive deep into what makes the R9 Plus a significant upgrade. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. Now we're going to be starting with its physical presence. This phone is not your average sleek, fragile tablet. The R9 Plus is a robust piece of engineering, evident in its dimensions and weight. We're looking at a height of about 182mm, a width of 269mm, and a substantial thickness of 17.8mm. And at 1066 grams, or just over a kilogram, it's a tablet with a reassuring heft, a clear indicator of the protective layers and large battery packed within. The tablet also comes in black and red colorways. Now underneath that tough exterior lies a surprisingly capable heart. The Hotwav R9 Plus is powered by the Unisoc T7280 chipset paired with a Mali G57 MP1 GPU clocked at 850 MHz. Now for those who might not be familiar with Unisoc, they've been making significant strides in providing efficient and capable processors, particularly for devices that prioritize reliability and battery life. And speaking of performance, the R9 Plus comes equipped with a generous 8GB of RAM, providing ample headroom for multitasking and ensuring applications launch quickly and run without a hitch. This is one of the upgrades of the Hotwav R9 Plus over the R9 Pro. The R9 Pro comes with 6GB RAM, and as I just mentioned, the R9 Plus has 8GB of RAM. So this is one of the reasons why the R9 Plus is a much more better tablet. Now with a massive 512GB of internal storage, you have abundant space for all your files, applications, documents, high resolution photos and videos. This is another upgrade, guys. The R9 Pro comes with 256GB internal storage, and as I just mentioned, the Plus has 512GB internal storage. The operating system powering this rugged beast is Android 14, though not the latest, but you still be getting the latest security updates, enhancements, and an intuitive user experience that Android users have come to expect. Perhaps one of the most defining features of any rugged device is its battery life, and here the Hotwav R9 Plus truly shines. It boasts an enormous 20,080 mAh battery capacity. This is a battery designed for extended periods of use. Hotwav also claims this colossal battery can last for days on a single charge, and it comes with 20 watts fast charging support. In the box is a 20 watts power adapter, so you don't have to worry about buying a separate fast charger. Now let's turn our attention to the display, which is often a point of vulnerability for many tablets. The Hotwav R9 Plus features an 11-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display. The Full HD Plus resolution ensures crisp visuals and vibrant colors, making it suitable for everything from detailed schematics to immersive viewing experience. But what really sets this display apart for a rugged tablet is the inclusion of Gorilla Glass 3 for enhanced scratch and drop resistance. While Gorilla Glass 3 isn't the absolute latest generation, it offers a proven level of protection against the everyday bumps and scrapes that a tablet of this nature is likely to encounter. Crucially, it also features a glove mode, allowing you to interact with the screen even when wearing gloves, an absolute necessity for many industrial or outdoor professionals. And for those who enjoy streaming their favorite content, the R9 Plus comes with Widevine L1 support, meaning you can enjoy high-definition streaming from popular platforms like Netflix, Hulu, and so on. A tablet, even a rugged one, isn't complete without capable cameras. The Hotwav R9 Plus features a 64MP rear camera. While we don't have all the specifics on the sensor or optical image stabilization, a 64MP megapixel sensor generally means you can capture detailed photos and videos. And on the front, we have a 16MP selfie camera, which is perfect for selfies and video calls. But the R9 Plus goes beyond just cameras for visual documentation. At its rear, you'll find a bright camping light capable of emitting up to 350 lumens of maximum brightness. So let's talk about its other features. The R9 Plus supports up to 4G connectivity. It supports dual SIM, Wi-Fi 5 or 5 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS and other essential navigation systems, Bluetooth 5.0, face unlock, and so on. We cannot round up this video without talking about the ruggedness of the R9 Plus because it's a rugged tablet. The R9 Plus, just like other rugged phones, boasts IP68 and IP69K waterproof rating, meaning it can be submerged in up to 2 meters of water for 30 minutes without issue. Well, that's according to the brand. The IP69K rating signifies protection against close range, high pressure or high temperature jet sprays, making it ideal for environments that require frequent cleaning or are exposed to intense splashes. IP68 means the device isn't just waterproof, it's also dustproof, guys. This device can also survive drops of up to 1.2 meters, giving you peace of mind if it accidentally tumbles from a desk or a workbench. And to top it all off, it means the rigorous military grade standard 810H certification for durability, which encompasses a wide range of environmental tests, including extreme temperatures, vibration, and shock. This means the R9 Plus isn't just advertised as tough, it's been rigorously tested to prove it. So these are the top features of the Hotwav R9 Plus. Now, mark your calendars because the world premiere of the Hotwav R9 Plus is set to commence from June 23rd to July 3rd. The initial window will likely be your best opportunity to get your hands on this powerful device for a discount, and the official retail price is about $330. Now, considering the robust feature set, the immense battery life, the high level of durability, and the overall performance, even if it's not great, $330 represents significant value for a rugged tablet of this caliber. So what do you guys think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Maybe I'll make a comparison video comparing the R9 Plus with the R9 Pro to point out the differences and similarities. I don't know yet, but maybe I'll try to do that. Anyway, feel free to share your thoughts about the R9 Plus in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.